It's been a big week of deliveries this week. First of all, I got the Pick Kit 4, which also came delivered with a heap of surface mount components. So we've got these tiny, well, we've got lots of components, but some of these things are absolutely tiny. Don't know if you can see the size of that, but these are 0402 components. So here we have the PCBs that just turned up today. First time I've ever printed a printed circuit board, so let's have a look and see what we've actually got. Okay, so first impressions, it's wrapped very well, and they've given me a little gift. I think it's a keyring. Let's have a bit of a look at that. Yep, a keyring. So next up we've got the boards. They've been vacuum sealed with a bit of desiccant in there. So that looks pretty good. And then I have my silkscreen for putting the solder paste down. So I won't bother looking at that one just yet. That's just basically a very thin sheet of metal with holes in the right spots. So I'll open up the PCBs now and we'll have a bit of a look at them. Geez, they packaged them well. Alright, got them. Alright, so we've got 5 of them here and they look good. They look like what I had expected, apart from the physical component sizes are a lot smaller than I thought they would be. On the back here I've got my logo. If we take a close look at the size of some of these components, so that's the the 0402 footprint. So that's going to be fun to load up. I'll definitely need my magnifying glass for that one. So if we'll just have a look at the board and see what exact size they are. As an example of the size, I've got a lead pencil here that is a 0.7mm pencil, and you can also see that in the ruler. So basically these components are all to go around the USB hub chip, which is obviously a very, very small chip, and they had to be in nice and close specifically for the capacitors. Just lastly, taking a look at the silkscreen. So it has obviously the holes where I need them, but yeah, again, I'm just surprised at the precision of this. So when we're talking these surface mount components being 0.4 of a millimeter wide, it's pretty amazing, and trying to see the pins in that chip there, how tight that is. It's quite amazing what they can actually produce. So I'm very pleased with the results, and next step, start loading it. And the last thing I want to share is I found that by reducing the solder mask size from their default 380 by 280 millimeters down to 150 by 150 millimeters saved me about $14 on the freight, which is quite a lot.
Yeah, right here, do it. Do it. Do it.